Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.